video of.
And here is when I try to score on my brother when he's a goal.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Seriously, he stinks.
Joey, I heard you. Seriously, he stinks. You ready? Go.
No! She's scoring on me every time.
Okay, ready? Let's go. I'm just gonna get you back. I'm scoring you on the first time. Okay.
Yeah!
Dang, he actually blocked it. Ready? Ah! Woo!
No.
Right in the goal. Wait, that went to the top.
That didn't count. Sorry, camera. That didn't count. Sorry.
Sorry, camera. I did my little deep move.
But that didn't count as a because to the top toe.
No! Ah!
I'm going to sit you in the head.
Don't talk to the camera.
Yeah, I can. Hit your tree. Oh, I hit the angel. I hit the angel.
Yeah! I scored! I scored! I scored! I scored! Okay.
Okay.
He ain't gonna score me.
Okay, camera. I'm gonna get him this time.
You ready?
Yeah.
Watch me.
Let's
I'm gonna block it.
Let's watch him not save it.
Ah! I stink! What a big net!
Yeah. Look at that. Throwing a fit on my big brother camera.
Okay, get the ball and play some hockey. You booty. Hey, you're wearing jeans. Ha!
Oh, yeah.
Don't. Joey, it's a new camera! Tell me, Dad. Dad, Joey just shot a ball at your camera.
Didn't mean to.
On purpose.
I didn't mean to. I didn't do it on purpose.
And that's exactly.
I didn't even break it.
I am.
Let me check and see if it's
Gosh, Joey.
not broken.
Put it down.
Guys, do not stop fight. Daisy doesn't want to see.
She's not allowed on here.
Stop! I didn't mean to.
Matthew, you need to come up here and eat this salad.
Yeah, Matthew, you need to go up in there and eat.